really started it again. Jessie, bro.
What? Is she over here? Hello? Driving them. But you want a cookie? You gotta get a bath too then. You ready to get a bath? I mean cookie?
Can you hear how windy it is? It's windy out there, isn't it, girls? What's the matter, Jess? It's alright, Mum's just outside. She'll be back in a bit. Oh, don't you two look cute, curled up on the floor together? Jess, it's alright. Jessica. I'm doing some updates on my phone. Focus. Jess, hey! Excuse me. I said it's alright. Oi!